Hi guys, Dr. Moran Saghiv, KIIP by Dr. Saghiv. First of all, look, it's an Optimum Kinetics apparel shirt. I love this brand. Check it out at www.optimumkineticsapparel.com. Great clothes, great accessories. Knowledge itself is power. KIIP for short. My favorite quote. Follow us on Twitter, KIIP by Dr. Saghiv. Visit my website, www.kiipbydrsaghiv.com. Or subscribe right here on YouTube. Send us comments, questions, requests, anything goes. Like our videos, share our videos with others. Let's talk about genetics. In this intro to genetics, we're going to discuss the extent of influence of genetics. Is everything that you see in the mirror the outcome of your DNA? Is everything that you see in the mirror influenced by your parents? Is it 100% determined genetically and there's nothing you can do about it? Absolutely not. There's only one phenomenon in the body that has multiple implications. That is 100% determined genetically. And that is how fast electricity travels through your nerves. That's the only thing that's 100% determined genetically. We will talk about it in another video. There's a lot of videos to come, especially because we're keeping them short. 4, 5 minutes, 3, something like that. So what you see in the mirror is most likely a combination to different extents of the influence of what we call biological factors that are heavily influenced by genetics and your DNA, and environmental factors that are not influenced by DNA. And it's most likely a combination. It might be heavily influenced, but not 100% influenced. So environmental factors, for example, to give a few examples, would include your family, your interactions with your family members. Your level of education is an environmental factor that can influence what you see in the mirror. Nutrition, exercise are environmental factors. Together, they make up a lot of what we call lifestyle. And then they can, of course, influence what you see in the mirror, and they can also influence genetic expression. Your culture is an environmental factor that influences you. Okay? And then there's the environment itself. For example, the temperature, the height, the altitude, pollution, can play a difference in what you see in the mirror and can also influence your gene expression, a process that we will talk about in another video. So this video was supposed to be the intro to genetics. There'll be many more to come. Guys, visit my website, kiipbydrsaghiv.com. We're waiting to hear from you. Let's start. What are you guys waiting for? Share this information with others. If you liked my video or videos or blog posts on the website and more, much more on the website to see, share with others. That's why we're doing this. Dr. Saghiv. See you around, guys.